Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Do a quick video on this 40 by 20 reverse flow right quick. It's 40 by 20 the main chamber. The horizontal is 40 by 20 by 22 deep. The vertical chamber is 20 by 20. Built with 1/4 inch steel. Has 4 racks in the vertical chamber. The coal basket, an ash pan, and the firebox. The horizontal chamber has 2 racks in it. Below it are the removable diverter plates. It also comes with the burner on the side. The table isn't normally wrapped around the corner like that. That's an add-on. There's separate diverter plates with a coal rack underneath it so that you can grill on it if you wanted to. The diverter can be welded in solid if you want it. You can see the vent there that allows heat to come into the vertical chamber. It also has a log lighter in the firebox. Built with 1/4 inch steel. This smoker is 2250. This one has 10 ports and stuff added on, but all that can be added on. It's 2250, built with 1/4 inch, has 8-inch solid wheels. So if you're interested in a smoker like this or even a different kind, I'll put my email in the description box and you can shoot me an email. They can also be set up with a vent inside the vertical chamber to use as a vertical smoker. And that'll do it on this one, y'all. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.